So this small cap spotlight today is going to feature a company we've talked about before. It is BioLargo. This is a company we are shareholders. We are paid advisors to this company, so disclaimers away. But this is an incredible company. You know about them because they are the distributors of one of
There's
our
our buddy
products.
Dennis Calvert.
There's the CEO, Dennis.
CEO. That's right.
That all a natural organic odor remover. I use it, by the way. It's not for odors that I generate, of course, but in general, they're also in a renewable battery technology. They're in medical devices with their Clearer division, and they're also in clean water with a PFAS remediation technology. That, of course, is those forever chemicals that we find, unfortunately, in just about all the water systems in this country and globally. Well, BioLargo reported yesterday Q2 revenue growth again, second quarter in a row, hitting it out of the park, putting about $5 million in cash on the balance sheet. Shareholder equity increased to about $6 million. Dennis, as you pointed out there, he continues to deliver on the plan that he's laid out for this company. We love it. We're going to continue watching it. Stock up today on the news. The report came out yesterday, but stock's up about 1%. Take a look at it and follow the continued success of BioLargo.
An amazing company. They have a whole bunch of intellectual property. So they don't actually put most of what they have together and sell it through stores or do business-to-business sales. And that PFAS that Mark's talking about, that forever chemical, if you saw the Mark Ruffalo movie, folks, Dark Water, that is exactly what these guys address. They take that PFAS out of the water. One of the things that's in that movie, of course, is how Teflon and other coatings were invented and then turned out they had some really horrible effects on animals and human beings. And these guys have a solution to take that out of the water supply and so forth. When you get all of the different pieces of BioLargo and look at what they do, it's an amazing company. And again, intellectual property that somebody else builds. These guys get that intellectual property, build on it, retain it, and then basically rent it out for royalties and so forth. It's a brilliant business model. Check out BioLargo.
And that PFAS story, interesting in terms of the impact on 3M and DuPont, right, who agreed to one of the largest mass tort settlements in the history of the United States, in excess of $13 billion to compensate municipal water supplies that they had knowingly contaminated. That story is not over. And John, the last thing we're going to